Take a ride in the 2019 A5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, multi-link, power brakes, rollover protection system, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, wireless charging station, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition,